Hello and welcome. My name is Jeff Heiler, and I will be demonstrating Industrial Defender Central Manager. When a user first logs into the platform, they are greeted with this landing page. This is the Asset Analytics Overview. It is designed with the intent to give a high-level overview of what is going on in the environment. On the right, we have a number of different views. These are grouped in different ways, but ultimately can be defined however an asset owner chooses, whether it is by physical location, groups of facilities, processes, or even by subnet. On the left side, we have the risk Sunburst. It is intended to be read from the innermost rings towards the outer. The innermost ring shows group by operating system type. In this case, we have Windows operating systems and Linux systems. The next ring contains specific assets, like Windows 10 demo device. As you go further out in the ring, you can see that there are general risk categories and further specific risk categories, including configuration exception, event review, reachability, vulnerability, and so on. The intent behind the coloring is such that if there were a high criticality risk category, it would color its parent risk category, the asset, and the operating system group red all the way through. The operating system field will not change color until the risks are addressed. Industrial Defender employs a number of different discovery methods, ranging from manual file ingestion, passive monitoring, direct database query, agentless or native querying, and agents. On screen, you can see our dashboards. Our dashboards and widgets come with many pre-configured views out of the box, but are fully customizable to suit an asset owner's needs. Across the top, you will see a number of those pre-configured categories, including some proof-of-concept builds, such as Demo CIS. Currently, I have the compliance dashboard displayed. Collected event and exceptions are visualized through these widgets. The summary widget is showing that I have a warning exception, as well as a number of critical exceptions for configuration, baseline, and event review. Similarly, on the security dashboard, we have widgets that visualize events by priority, metric, distribution by target port, and even some widgets for user account changes and unauthorized access. Moving on to the NIDS dashboard, see a number of widgets featuring data collected by our built-in IDS capabilities, including IDS events by category, by target port, and by priority. Finally, under Demo CIS, we have a proof of concept for some custom widgets for an environment that has decided to leverage CIS controls. There are widgets that break down identified and newly discovered assets, reachability, and secure configuration. I've now taken you through a number of methods in which we visualize data collected through our various discovery methods mentioned earlier. Additionally, I would like to demonstrate Industrial Defender Central Manager's reporting capabilities. Our reporting features are very straightforward. Foundational control categories such as asset, configuration, patch and vulnerability, and so on are pre-built. Similarly, compliance frameworks and standard reports are ready to be leveraged by whatever an asset owner deems suitable for their environment. I'll now select and generate a report. In this case, let's select a NERC SIP asset inventory report. This will bring us to a page where we can select the asset group, followed by the locations. I'm now ready to generate the report. Reporting can be automated and distributed via email or sent to network directories. Reports can also be encrypted in transit as well as passworded. This concludes the general overview of Industrial Defender Central Manager.